Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials, specifically focusing on a game changer for your culinary adventures: titanium cutting boards. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and eco-friendly option, you're in the right place. Imagine a cutting board that not only looks stunning in your kitchen, but also stands the test of time. Our titanium cutting boards come in various sizes, perfect for any task. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or preparing a beautiful charcuterie board, the double-sided design offers versatility, allowing you to switch between tasks without the hassle of cross-contamination. What sets these boards apart is their unique material. Made from pure titanium and wheat straw PP, they are not only lightweight, but also incredibly strong. Unlike traditional wood or plastic boards, titanium is resistant to scratches and stains, ensuring that your board remains pristine after countless uses. Plus, the Morandi blue color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Using a titanium cutting board means you're making a responsible choice for the environment. The sustainable materials used in their production help reduce waste, making them a great alternative to bamboo or plastic options. You can feel good about your purchase, knowing you're contributing to a healthier planet. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking journey, a titanium cutting board is an investment worth making. It combines functionality with style, making your kitchen experience more enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more kitchen tips and product reviews. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.